Hello everybody. Welcome back to another video of the weekend. So, this aircraft, one of the most popular airliners of the entire world and the universe, also nicknamed the Queen of the Skies. This is the Boeing 747. Like as you know, this particular one I have right here, that's the Boeing 747-8. And by the way, I have other kinds of, like I have this one. This is the 747-400 as well. I'm trying to see if I can start collecting all the models of the 747, including the 100, the 200, the SP means special performance, the 300, and I want to get the shuttle carrier one as well. And even I get the YL1 airborne laser, even the E4B, which is the Doomsday aircraft version. I want to get all of the aircraft that are based all of the 747s to pay tribute. So let's start the beginning of the story of the 747. So did you know that its first flight was in 1969, and it was actually the biggest aircraft of the entire world, even being nicknamed the jumbo jet. It's amazing. It's amazing, like how they built something like that. It's so cool. So this particular one right here is the Dash 8, the largest variant of the 747. This is the 747-400. So as you know that most so the first flight of the 747, which was the 100, was in 1969. It remained in service throughout the many other countries well into the centuries. So, and did you know that there's also military versions of the 747s? Like there was the E4B, as I said, which is a doomsday version aircraft. There's also the YL1, which was like a test bed for the airborne laser, but that was canceled. There was also tanker versions. There were also tanker versions of the 747 too. There have been air refueling tanker versions of the 747. Then there's also the very famous one called the Air Force One. They call it the VC-25. So during when the VC-25A, which is from the 747-200, when it was first introduced, they delayed delivery to the fact that we had to use the Special Air Mission 2600 and 2700 Boeing 707 VC 137 Stratoliners for backup, since these things were getting delayed. By the time they entered service, we retired the 707 ones and then now, just June 19th, about a week ago, we were just revealed that we're about to have our brand new Air Force One now, which is derived from a Boeing 747-8, which will be called the VC-25B Bridge. It will be our brand new Air Force One way in the future. Like right now, they're in the testing phase right now. Like they're working on it to make sure it's reliable, so it's ready to transport the President of the United States and everything. So hopefully, that would be a very interesting turn of events for a 747. And did you know they're also making a Doomsday variant from a Dash 8 to now replace the aging E4B ones too. So it's going to be very, very cool. And there are also like firefighter versions as well of the 747. It's very, very cool too. There are also shuttle carrier versions. And did you know there's the 747 SP, as I mentioned in the earlier part of this video? Did you know that the 747 SP is actually, SP stands for Special Performance, as you know, is a very, very short size 747. Like it's very, very short. This is also my other 747 I have here too. So far I have three. I'm trying to see if I can collect all these 747s, like from the 100. I already got so far the 400 and the Dash 8. I'm trying to see if I get from 100 to the 200, the 300, the SP, and that's it. I only got, I think, 4 more 747s to go. Then I'll start collecting military variants, which is the YL-1, the E-4B Doomsday plane, and maybe the last, but certainly not least, maybe the Air Force One. Well, anyway, thank you guys so much for the video, and stay tuned for the one last one for the weekend.